Hi, Amanda from Creative Pouring again. I've just done a little flip cup and I've got paint left over. I did one too many. So I've just got this other canvas out, it's 30 by 40 centimetre. And I've already got one cup layered there that I was going to flip cup that I've decided against. So I'm going to just layer this cup and then I'm going to pour ring pour it, I think. I've scraped up that from the canvas and I think I'm going to thin that down and use it as flow extender. Although I do I do like it, I think I will use it as flow extender. So let me just stir that up into a lovely beautiful colour. There you go, gold and white and blue, that'd be lovely. And I'll stick some water in there to make it runnier for the flow extender. There you go, so that's nice and that'd be great. Flow extender, that's great. Right, that's that then. Okay, I do have a little extra white there if I need it. I don't think I will. Okay, so let's just pour this cup and I'll put some gold in the bottom of here first, and then white, and then the dark. So I am layering this a little bit differently than I did the other one, because I was specific for a flip cup. I'm just going to lay this like I would a ring pour. And let's see what happens. Oh, I've got this. Let's just put that good layer in there. Now this does have silicone in it, of course, because I've used it for, and it was quite reactive, so it'll be interesting to see what occurs with this. Let's just oops. Let's just get rid of all that paint. So that's a goner. This. Beautiful sky blue colour. There we go. Let's just finish this one off. This is the iridescent blue-green Pebeo. That's that one. A little more gold. Oh, finish that one off as well. Okay. think that's the fish. Okay. So let's just pour a puddle of white there and a, look at this, puddle of turquoise there. Just swish them around a little bit. Okay. Right, I'm going to pour this one first, and then I'll pour that one there. Again, I've most probably got too much paint, but here goes. I'm just going to, well, let's see how it comes out. Oh, damn it. Right, that's that one. Let's see this one. Oh, et voila. Nice. Okay, so let's just scrape these out and put them on the edges. Waste not, want not. There we go. That's that one, and then that one. That's that one, and then I've got this thinner flow extender. Let's just, oh no, I'm not going to torch. No. Let's just, that's not right, is it? Otherwise that's going to just move that to there. Otherwise it's not going to want to flow around the flow extender, is it? It's going to go off anyway, so it's okay. Right, here we go. Let's just stick some of this around. So we know that's all going to go off. That's what it's for. Okay. Let's just this is going to be interesting with two. I've never done it with two. I've done a one before, I've not done it with two. Right. I'm not sure about having the silicone in the flow extender, but we will see. Right, we will see what we can see. Let's get those out of the way. Those out of the way. Let's just wipe my hands before before I do anything. Loving the colours so far. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can get that over there. Okie dokie. I'm just going to do a quick, very gentle swirl around first. That flow extender working across the canvas. Get over the edges. Let's just go off there, shall we? Come back into the middle, and then we'll go round that way. Let's go over here and get rid of this big blob first. A big blob there. Back. Another big blob there I need to get rid of, but let's just go down the other side and open that one up. Over the edge there. Bring it back and then go down that side. Over there. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Bring it back. Oh, looking good. And then let's just bring it back into the middle. And now look at that. Now watch it. Just watch this go now with the silicone. I'm not going to touch it. Let's just leave it. Oh, I did see a blob of paint. Do you want to get that out? Bear with me while I just. I'm not gonna torch it because that'll just go mental. But there is a blob of paint here. I just need to. Okay. Let me just do more with my hands. Let's sit and look at this, see if I need to wreck it or do anything with it. So I do like the ring pours without the silicone in, but as I say, I just got that. I wanted to see what it would do. Now, do I torch anywhere, or should I just leave it as it is? This is the question. This is the question. It's done over there. I'm pretty sure I should all be done. That Pebeo gold looks quite yellow. I hope it dries a little bit more gold, if you get what I mean, rather than yellow. Scraping off the extra on the sides. Oh, I think that's quite funky. I think I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to torch it, otherwise I think I'll just lose whatever definition I've got with the lines. This is definitely with gold at the bottom, wasn't it? Whereas that one wasn't. I like the gold sort of here, down the middle, and that bit there. I was going to tip that off, but I thought no, because it sort of bounces off. I don't think there's too much on the canvas. I think we're good to go. Oh, thank goodness for that. That's 2 in a row. I quite like that one. But definitely, I don't know. I think it, no, I don't know. I like the cells. I think if I did torch it, it would go mental. Maybe it just gives it a little bit more, I don't know, of a difference from a normal ring pour. Is that another big blob there, or is it a... Leave that there like that. Right, don't touch it now. Let it go, let it go. Okay, I like that one. I'll bring it down. Bear with me, let me take the gloves off. I think I'm going to leave it here to dry. I'm going to take it off. Right. Okay. Let me just bear with me. There you go. I love that dark blue in there. As I say, this gold looks a little bit yellow, but I think when it dries it'll be nice. It'll be a bit shimmery, and you can see the effect that the those are all the silicone cells, but I haven't torched it. This is a beautiful corner up here. I love that there. I'm really liking this actually. The more I look at it, the more I like it. Right, I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm not going to touch it. That's 2 in a row, thank goodness. If you did like this, here's another. Ooh, yes, on that lovely gold corner. Please like and subscribe my channel. And of course my art is for sale, because I've got lots of them in my house that I need to get rid of. Okay, hope you're having a great day. It's Amanda, over and out. There you go. So this is the dried result of the double ring pour that I did. Really liking, I mean, I know I've got silicone in it, so I've got these sort of cells in there, but I didn't torch it, so I didn't get loads. This is just from the pouring. But there's some really nice, that kept its lines, even though it wasn't really that, I suppose it was fairly thick. But the colours are lovely. I love this strip in the middle with the dark sort of Prussian blue with the gold next to it. I love that bit there. And then this golder centre is sort of a different to the sort of dark blue centre there. It's not blingy again. I don't know if you can see in the light. It looks a bit yellow rather than blingy gold, but you know, it's still, I still quite like it. It's still quite pretty. But anyway, I like it. I hope you do too. So, and if you enjoyed my video, please subscribe. Help me build my channel, and I look forward to welcoming you again. Okay, cheerio, bye.